Hey everybody, this is Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff, and right in time for Valentine's Day, OnePlus is releasing the lava red OnePlus 5T for more markets. So it was first released for China, and now we are getting it in the United States, the UK, and also the rest of Europe. And this is the unit that I have been really wanting in the 5T because red is my favorite color. So let's take a look at it. Now I have to admit that I got a little bit impatient and unboxed it already. I went and got some nice B-roll of it. But we're going to unbox it again. So you can see right here on the back it says Lava Red, 128 gigabytes. So this special edition unit only comes in the 128 gigabyte variation with 8 gigabytes of RAM, not the 6 gigabyte of RAM and 64 gigabyte variation. So these are going to sell while supplies last. This is not going to be a unit that's going to stay around forever, so make sure to get your hands on one. Okay, let's open the box. While comparing this unboxing to other OnePlus 5Ts, it's exactly the same. Just lift the lid and we've got the phone. We're going to take a look at it momentarily, but let's see what else is in the box. So lifting that out, we are immediately greeted with the dash charger and also the charging cable. And the phone is seated on top of this little box here. If you flip up this lid, you can see that we have a case, a nice clear case so that you can pop your phone into it and you can admire that nice red color of your phone. We've got a quick start guide, also the SIM ejection tool. So there you go. We can set all of this aside. Now let's pop the phone out itself and take a look at that red. Oh yeah. So this is a very red phone. It's got a lovely anodized finish, and it's actually very easy to wipe fingerprints off. They say that it's got like a fingerprint resistant coating on it, which is really nice. What's interesting though is that I somehow expected this to be a deeper, thicker type of a red. We can compare the red to their standard OnePlus red. I guess you could say that it's similar enough to it. We've also got the red case that you can get from their site as well. And I think that it pairs pretty well with it. But you can see that it is definitely a different color. Still though, hands down, this is my favorite OnePlus 5T. And before I forget, this is the clear TPU case that they have with the phone. You can see that it really has a pretty slim profile to it. It's got a little bit of a lip. And it's going to let you admire the nice back. Something to point out, if you flip it over, you can see that the front is black. And a lot of people were actually peeved with Apple when they released their product Red iPhone because the front was white. So we've got this nice black front here to complement this red body, and it definitely goes nice with this 18:9 aspect display. It helps to better give the illusion that the front is all screen, which is really the jump up from the OnePlus 5, is having this larger aspect. So this definitely has a regal masculine look to it. I like it. So when looking around this phone, all ports, buttons, and switches are exactly where you would expect them to be, same as the other OnePlus 5Ts. It's a OnePlus 5T through and through, just in lava red. I also have the other two colors that OnePlus released, the original Midnight Black and the Sandstone White. And the Sandstone White was also the base for the Star Wars limited edition version that came out for The Last Jedi, but they're essentially the same. It just doesn't have the red logo on it. So there you have it in a quick unboxing. This is the Lava Red OnePlus 5T. It's gorgeous and probably what I'm going to be carrying around beside my iPhone X for a while. I'm really hoping that other OEMs release red phones this year as they are stunning. I will get everything in red if you let me. And I really have a feeling that this will be the year of the red phone, looking at the trend of last year. So thank you everybody for watching. I make new videos every Friday, Saturday. I just wanted to let you guys know that. So don't forget to check back on those days. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos. And have a good day, everybody. Bye! Oh, and keep an eye out for the OnePlus 5T review, which I will now do since I have every color of the phone.